Hello guys, how y'all doing? Just yesterday I went to the store to try to find a face mask and it's all gone. Going through the several stores, not a single mask I could find. That's crazy. And I work at the hospitals and even hospitals experience a huge shortage of face masks. So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a face mask at home. I saw it online and I decided to try it out myself. So for this we need a paper towel, and I know it's actually in high demand as well. Rubber bands, you actually need just 2 of them. And the stapler is actually the only one I could find at home. But if you have a fancy one, a bigger one, is going to be even better. So what you want to do is just to have a piece of the napkin, and it should be about this size. It can be actually a little bit bigger, maybe it's going to be even better, but this size will work as well. Start folding the napkin, and you don't need to fold it really wide, just enough for the stapler to staple it. Alright, there you go. It should look almost like this. Then what you do is get the rubber band, put it this way, and then fold the napkin like this, and we will staple it like that. So it should staple this way, and then you take another rubber band from the other side and do the same thing. So at the end it will look like this. And now, as you can see, we actually have a face mask. Well, let's try it on. I'm gonna take my glasses off. There you go. Pretty cool face mask actually. So now if you go to the store and you try to find a face mask and they're out, you know what to do. And I feel like this mask is pretty protective here, you know. I don't see any gaps on each of these sides here or over here. So it sits pretty well on my face. And of course it's not probably 100% perfect, and it doesn't have this normal coating that the original face mask has, but for emergency situations it will work. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.